Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everyone, looking at SPY. So pretty much the range of yesterday and today are very close. So we set a lower high by 7 cents and a lower low by 5 cents, but you can see the bulls bought the dip and we closed just below the middle Bollinger Band resistance yesterday. Looking at some unusual options activity that a member was kind enough to point out to the group, there was a lot of bearish bets made on UVXY, which means SPY could see some nice upside. And if we break 218.66, we're looking up at 219.12, and then the all-time high 219.60. We are just $1.60, less than 1%, and really less than 0.8% from all-time highs. So if we were to see a bearish break, that would mean a loss of the low of today, 217.35, and a rejection on the back test of this middle Bollinger Band. That would definitely be worth noting. You can see these Bollinger Bands are getting tighter and tighter as this range tightens up, and we are likely to see a breakout or a breakdown in the coming days as we do get tighter. The weekly time frame still very bullish, even though we confirmed the bearish reversal candlestick from last week, or 2 weeks ago. We confirmed it last week. Still well above the 10-week moving average. If we did see a bearish reaction, the low of last week is 216.25, and the low, or the 10-week moving average support, is 216.32. So that should be a nice support level. And it'll be very telling tomorrow if the bulls can get back over some of the hourly moving average resistances in the low 218s. That's what I'm going to be watching first thing. And if they can, we will know that the bulls have some strength, and we'll be looking for a break of 218.66 to see that follow through of strength. We've been watching the 218.60s as a key level of resistance for weeks now. And I've got my 5-minute chart with the line at that resistance point in the 218.60s. And we rejected from it yesterday, and we rejected from it again today. So I always like to leave those lines up on my charts, because even though it was weeks ago, I certainly likely would have forgotten, but my chart didn't forget, and it lets me know that that resistance level is there. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Slight lean favoring the bulls due to an end of the day rally, lower wick showing the bulls buying the dip, and we'll see if we get that follow through tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in.